And today we're going to be working on these long words that are unfamiliar to your child. So these long, what your teacher might call them multisyllabic words, are difficult for kids to decode because they're very long and they require attention. So we're going to use a strategy today with some 3x5 whiteboards. You can use index cards, you can use a regular whiteboard and have your child just write the words in chunks. But I like to use these. I have them from when I was a teacher, so we use these at home. I like that they can move around. So we're going to use those with a dry erase marker when we come to a large word with lots of syllables that we're unfamiliar with.
Today we have a Who Would Win book, and these are one of my favorite books.
Okay, so you're going to start reading here.
Okay. A common human family has a mom, a dad, and a few kids. The inventory.
Oh, that's a tricky word. What I'm going to have you do is we're going to slide your book over here. Here are your boards. I want you to look for a chunk that you know in this word.
Okay.
So what chunk did you choose?
Age.
Age. That's at the end of the word. Okay.
Okay.
What's another chunk that you know?
Okay, let's see here.
What about these two letters? Do you know what that says?
Oh.
Okay. And then what do we have left?
We have the beginning of the word. We have A-V.
Okay. So put them in order so they spell the word.
Inventories.
But let's say each chunk.
Age. Average.
Now, I think this one isn't quite A. I think it's more like idge.
Av.
Idge.
Age. Average.
Average. Does that sound like a word we know?
Yeah.
Awesome. Good job. All right. So in looking for chunks they know how to say or they can sound out, it helps them to put that whole word together. And doing it in pieces first is really helpful for a lot of readers. So let's go back to your book and let's start at the beginning of the sentence.
The inventories. Oh,
okay.
Wait, no, what was
What word did we just say? Use the chunks to help you.
Edge. Adventures.
Put it together. What's this?
Edge.
Edge.
Average.
So
The inventories.
okay, you need to put the word together.
Average. The average army ant family has one mom.
Okay, we're gonna stop there.
Okay.
So as you can see, sometimes it's hard to transfer from the boards to the text, to the book. So if you leave the writing on the boards, that's really helpful so the student can go back to the boards while they're trying to make that transfer to reading the word in the book. I hope you found this helpful, and I will hopefully be back with another video soon. Thank you.